None of today's radio devices can do without a mechanical connection, and such a mechanical connection requires tools. As a rule, when we're out in the field, we have to carry a large and heavy set of tools, with only 10 to 15% of its contents being regularly used. Those are for the most part screwdrivers and small wrenches. If you know for sure that you won't need the most part of your tools, you can just carry this small set of bits and screwdrivers that can even fit in your pocket, and would neither be that difficult to carry to work nor require a lot of storage space at home. This wrench can work as a screwdriver. Or if we move the bit to a different position, like a rather handy tap wrench that can be used either in locations that are difficult to access or for screws where sufficient effort is required to unscrew the element. The set contains the most popular bits that are used most often. These are 2 Phillips bits, 2 multi-spline bits, 3 most popular Torx bits, and 3 hexahedral wrench bits. This set would be very useful both at home and in your field work, when you have to repair radio equipment.